What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is freezing cold today. Like, I think it's 24 degrees out, and it's like 12 or 11 o'clock, something crazy. Anyways, I have the doors off on the Jeep. Last night I did some powder coating. You can see I took some hinges off. Let's see, some hinges off of here. I'm gonna wait to do these ones, but I did quite a few little parts last night, and I did not record it, but I did do it, do a couple of stories on my Instagram. So if you're not following there, you might want to. It's T-Dog Customs, the same spelling as the YouTube channel, so just let you know what's going on there. But look at this, folks. Rear hinges for the back, all done. And I did move these while they were hot, but we're still gonna have to work them a little bit until they loosen up. And then we go in here, we've got the door hinges done. Came out really nice as well. So I still need to do these parts, but I made this. So for those of you who don't know, this goes like right here. Look at that. So I made this, put some little spikes on it, welded them on. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that right now. But we're gonna have to, let's see, the best way to do this probably, I'm gonna grab the heat gun, then we'll find the holes, heat them up, and then cut them out and then drop it in. It should kind of finish out the hood and make it look nice and pretty. So I just finished installing all the parts. So up front we've got the hood spike right there, looks killer. We come across to here, we've got that one done, and then if we come across the back, we've got these wrapped up, and then same with this one, all good to go. Leave a comment below if you like the hood spikes. You know, if enough people want something like that, I wouldn't be opposed to, you know, making them for people if you want them. I think it looks pretty dope. But anyways, yeah, so if you want me to make you one, you'd have to take yours off and, you know, give it to me, and then I could either powder coat it black or whatever color you wanted. I'd powder coat it for you, but and then also weld some spikes on it. If I was doing yours, I would obviously do a better job at getting them all symmetrical. Oh, my nose is running, so cold. But for mine, I'm not really worried about it, but just keep that in mind. If y'all think it's cool and want one, you know, go ahead and leave a comment below, or go to T-Dog Customs on Instagram and you know, message me through that. Either way, but we've got it all installed, everything's looking good. So that'll probably be it for this video. Quick little video, but I wanted to make something and show you guys the modifications that are slowly but surely coming. Also, next week is supposed to be in the 60s, so I should have some time to, with the warm weather, to get outside and clean the Jeep and then wrap it. So thank you guys for watching. As always, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give a thumbs up if you think this video is cool, and keep grinding. Peace.